Kim often rides her bike to visit Ed. She can go various ways. For example, if she rides via Paul and Jody's houses, the total distance is 9 kilometers. Ed wants to ride to Kim's, visiting Jim's house on the way. Using the shortest distances in each case, how much further would Ed need to ride if he also visited Mai's house? So, Kim's house is here, Jim, Mai, and Ed. So, in the first route, Ed, using the shortest distances, going along Jim to Kim, would be 4.5 plus 3, which is 7.5. Now, looking at if he needed to visit Mai's house, 5 plus 2 plus 3 gives us a value of 10. So, how much further would he need to ride? 10 minus 7.5, which is 2.5. Therefore, the answer is A.